Hey, hello guys, Brian back with the Gala Games Gala token update. We are up 2.15% as I make this video today, and finally we got that breakout from Bitcoin that we have been waiting for. Okay, finally broke that 29,000 bucks. We've been talking about that for about a week now, been expecting it the whole time. All the RSIs were reset down at the bottom, and this morning it finally went up and did it. So the best thing about it is Bitcoin's daily RSI is just turning up at the bottom. So the next 4, 5, 6 days in crypto, I'm expecting are going to be pretty decent. So we're definitely looking for a lot of green days to show up here. Hopefully, you can never judge something 100%, but things are definitely looking good for this week. Right now Gala is up 2.2% as I make this video. I'm going to show you some stuff here in a second, some price targets that we have set up here for this thing to finish out at before we get the next move up here, and we'll get into it. And if you haven't yet, guys, please hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate that so much. Gala is one of my biggest holdings. I love covering it and keeping you guys up to date with the news. And also in the description of the video is a KuCoin link. If you're interested in KuCoin and you're part of this channel, you qualify for 20% off of your trading fees. They sent that to me in an email, so I listed it on here. I started listing it a couple weeks ago and just haven't said much about it. But if you're interested in that, you can find that description in the link, or a link in the description. I apologize for that. But here we go. First off, I wanted to show you this. This is if some of you guys have never been on the Gala website, gala.com, you ought to check it out. I mean, it is awesome. It really is. I love this thing. I love getting on here, and I wanted to show you some stats down through here. Okay, first off, you have Gala Games, Gala Film, Gala Music, and into the Galaverse. But look at this. Gala Games are 28 games, rewards distributed to players, 2.2 billion. 2.2 billion, of play to earn games. That's incredible. Gala Music, which just launched not too long ago. 6 artists, rewards distributed to artists, $15 million. And it wasn't too long ago. This thing just launched. There's only 6 artists on there right now, and $15 million. So that's pretty incredible. The film, creating long-awaited Web3 solutions for TV and film. Gala Film will empower emerging artists and fans while bringing to life some incredible creative work. There will be abundant reward and ownership opportunities in the Gala film ecosystem. And it says launching 2022, but let's see here. Let's click on it. And see what comes up here. I have never clicked on that, and I'm kind of curious here. Okay, so let's check it out together. This is film powered by Gala. Okay, animation dramas. There's an action, adventure, sci-fi. Buy now. Okay, so it did launch. I wasn't even 100% sure that. The Making of the Chronic documentary. 4 Down documentary. Yeah, alright, so it did. Experience entertainment like never before with unique rewards and behind the camera experiences. Gala Film. Just showing you what I'm seeing here, because and Gala Film nodes, how about that? They actually have nodes for Gala Films now. That's pretty cool. Join our Discord and careers. That's the first time I clicked on that, actually. I wanted to check it out with you guys, so that's pretty cool. I love Gala's website. It's pretty awesome. Here's your top 100 crypto bubbles. I'm going to put it on the day first. That is for the day. Mostly all this was red at 8 o'clock this morning. As soon as Bitcoin broke that 29,000, it's having a pullback and retesting right now, former resistance for support right now. And on the hourly, you can see that that's why some of this red is showing up. Bitcoin is doing that retest, and a lot of these coins, the RSIs are overextended, so they'll be doing some small pullbacks. Nothing to worry about at all. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, the market cap is up 2.22%. Volume over 24 hours is up 29.2%, $43 billion. Bitcoin dominance is up to 44.8%. It is up 1.45% over 24 hours. And the market sentiment, we're to 62, up one click from yesterday, still into greed. Here's your top 100 gainers and losers from CoinMarketCap. If you look on the right-hand side, a lot of 0 points, 0.17, 0.11. And on the left, I mean, the smallest gainer is up 2.28%. So great to see there, that's for sure. And let's go over back to this chart here, okay? Now you can see right now Gala is actually making a move while I'm making this video, all right? Up 2.3%. Let's put our lines back on here, our support and resistance areas, all right? I'm expecting Gala to finish this this move up here, this ABC pattern up here to 0.044 area, you know, up to roughly the 0.045, okay, and that would finish that move out. It looks like it's making that move up there now, but we need to break that 0.04156. That has been resistance here for quite a while, actually, okay? We've poked up above it, but we've never retested it as support, okay? So that's a big move that we got to take care of right there, right? So if we look at these RSIs on Gala, the 1 hour is overextended, the 2 is a little overextended, the 4, let me put an arrow down here in case we got anybody new watching, okay? The 8 hour is coming up, and the 12 is coming up, so that's great to see. All right, but them bigger ones, that's the ones I really care about, the 8 and the 12. The daily is just spinning back up. You can see that turn. That's beautiful to see. That's what we want to see, okay? That daily, that covers you know, when your daily turns up, that covers the next 4, 5, 6 days of price action, and Bitcoin has just turned up at the bottom. Let me just show you real quick so you guys look at that daily RSI down at the bottom there. It hit I had a price target up for it. I put that up I don't know, 3 or 4 days ago. Bitcoin came up and hit it, and looks like what it's doing here, if we put this on the 1 hour, you can clearly see, whoops, let me put that back, you can clearly see what's going on here, okay? It's a 1, 2, we have a 3 wave, should have a 4 wave pullback, and then a 5th and final wave out of this thing, okay? Micro moves, that's hourly moves, all right? But that's definitely what that's looking like. Our 3rd wave would be our longest, our 4th wave would be our biggest pullback, so this could take you know, that could take a day to play out. But them RSIs, again, like I showed you here, let me show you, you know, the 1 hour is overextended, the 4 is at the top, the 12 is about 3/4, and the 8 is at the top, but that daily is right at the bottom. So we got more legs out of this thing, I am absolutely sure of that. Not financial advice, folks, at all, please don't take it like that, but if you use Elliott waves and you know anything about them, you can clearly see that this has another wave up to finish here. So that's good news for the whole market. And right now Gala is making a move. We're up 2.37%. And what also could be going on in here, which I've been keeping an eye on, you know, is this could be working out too. This could be a 1-2. This could end up playing 5 waves up here too, you know. This ABC could be out, you know. That could be out of the picture. These don't always work out. These moves don't always work out, and we could end up doing a 5 wave up here and end up hitting that price target with that. So we'll just have to see how it plays out. That's the bottom line, you know. If everybody could predict everything in this market, it would be too easy, you know. You just got to go with the flow, and when the candles print, you know, see what's going on with them and see what you got going on. But this wedge breakout, you know, we had that the measured move of that thing, you know, let's put it over here. That's what that was. That this area up here too would coincide with this ABC, and this wedge breakout would be right in the same price area. So I don't know. We'll see what happens here. Okay, so we're still waiting, like I said, to hit that price target for that wedge breakout. Usually, them things play out. Not 100% of the time, but most of the time. So, thank you very much, guys. I'm sorry about rambling, and thank you for watching the video. Please hit the subscribe button, and if you want to, check out that KuCoin link. Thank you so much. Have a great night.